Hello everyone and welcome to today's science lesson. As you can see from the title, it is all about the human life cycle. Now, in our work last week we looked at the life cycle of a butterfly and how it changed from being an egg to a caterpillar or larva to a chrysalis or pupa, and then how it turned into a butterfly. Some of you may have even done your own research and looked at other life cycles. I think that those included things like penguins and frogs. But as I say, today is all about the human life cycle, and we're going to be looking at the different stages and maybe even think about the differences between the different life cycles that we've studied. So our learning intention is, can I learn about the different stages of the human life cycle? So we need to think about what a life cycle is, the changes in a human life cycle, and what's the difference in life cycles between a caterpillar's life cycle and humans, or we can think about other differences using different life cycles as well.